Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get premium on Reddit, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should tap on your avatar that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Now tap on the last option saying settings. Then as you can see in the Reddit premium section, there is a get premium button, so tap on it, and as you can see you can select from these Reddit premium packs, such as the ad-free browsing pack, the avatar gear, monthly coins, members lounge, custom app icons, and so on. So if you are interested in any of these, just simply tap on the relevant one and you will be able to purchase the one that you prefer or that you are longing for. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.